The entire Amnye Machen range is an eastern extension of the Kunlun Mountains, a major mountain system of Asia. The Amnye Machen range runs in the general northwest to southeast direction in eastern Qinghai, Golog Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture and the adjacent areas of the Hainan Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture, and the southwestern corner of Gansu's Gannan Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture. The existence of the ridge results in one of the great bends of the Yellow River. The river first flows for several hundreds of kilometers toward the east and southeast, along the southwestern side of the Amnye Machen range. In so doing it crosses the entire length of Golog Prefecture, and reaches the borders of Gansu and Sichuan. Then the river turns almost 180 degrees to the left, passing to the northeastern side of the Amnye Machen, and flows toward the northwest for 200-300 kilometers through several prefectures of the northeastern Qinghai. The Amnye Machen Peak, the highest point of the range, is located in Machen County of Golog Prefecture. Its elevation is estimated to 6,282 meters 20,610 feet. It is ranked number 23 in height among the mountain peaks of China.
Semuanya gini saja kita sudah.
Gua kalau sampai ke sana.
Pretty good. Just had an amazing trekking around Amnye Machen. Seeing diverse landscapes, getting cool information regarding the Buddhist history and the Bao history from our guides. Yeah, what do you think, Marie?
Yeah, it was a great time. We had super cool guides. We had great fun with them. They were really good in preparing our meals and taking care of us. And it was just beautiful, the landscape all around Amnye Machen.
It's so private as well. We're the only hikers we saw. So it's just an incredible landscape to get to experience.
Yeah, even staying there one night was very interesting and very nice.
Getting that yak was pretty cool.
Future?
I'd love to. It's a beautiful place.
If we
Beautiful
have
part
time.
of the world.
Depends on the place. If it's bigger, one can stay or no family. Place is not enough. Man or two.
Amnye Machen Trek offers the best trekking experience in eastern Amdo, the Tibetan area of Qinghai province. This sacred mountain is being worshipped by Buddhists as well as Bon followers. It is the most famous pilgrimage route and the best adventure tour in Amdo. A half circumambulation to Amnye Machen Kora, for 6 to 7 days, to its southern part, which has an absolutely gorgeous and untouched landscape. The local mountain god Amnye Machen is to be subsumed under Amdo of 3 major Tibet provinces, which another 2 are Yutsang and Kham. Amdo or Dho encompasses over 1/3 of the Tibetan plateau, and Amnye Machen is the one and only to impute to be the most sacred mountain in the eastern Tibetan plateau. It has an area size of 660 acres and has 13 peaks, of which the highest peak rises over 6,082 meters above the sea level, and the 5th Dalai Lama called it the Ever White Peak. The rest of the peaks are equally raised over 4,900 meters and snow-capped all throughout the year. The rest of the peaks are equally raised over 4,900 meters and snow-capped all throughout the year. The holy mountain Amnye Machen thus belongs 360 genres of surrounding mountains which are dating back to 1,000 years with abundant of snow and glacier all over the years.